This is the night illumination of the 2019 Audi A3 45. Primarily I brought you this because you can know how your car looks at night when you're approaching oncoming traffic, which is a very nice stance for the vehicle. But there again, you have LEDs wrapped all the way around from your daytime running lamps. You will have your LEDs from front to back. So this is just night illumination. Heading into the night hour. Just want to bring you a quick wrap around there again to show you exactly how your vehicle illuminates at night. Let's take a look at that inside. Something that's very nice as well. Just going to turn on the turn signal here. Of course, you do have the turn signal and the rearview mirror, but something that Audi deems as being safer. Of course, you can see how both of your lights are moving, so you have movement within your lights. Now, if you look at the comments down below, you will see exactly what they term that. I don't know that right off, but I know they actually term that something special, and they actually deem it as being safer. So just wanted to bring you a touch note on the safety on the lighting, which around the backside, those are LEDs as well. LEDs, there again, won't burn out quite as fast as your normal light bulb will. And of course, as you can see, not your whole light is blinking with that turn signal. It's actually just a LED on the top portion there.